Hello papas, what's up? Here we have one Acer laptop, Acer Aspire, that have a graphic chip problem. We will do a flow. I will skip the entire process of the motherboard and I will show you next. So we are here. We open disassemble the Acer. So now let's remove the heatsinks from the processor and the graphic cards. You saw the graphic cards have lines in our screen. Now our screen of laptop don't show anything. So I put it a VGA input cable and show me in my screen windows and lines, green lines. This is a graphic chip problem. Maybe cause with temperature cause this problem. Whoa! Look that! Look, that's the problem. It's not wet. Let's clean it. Clean first the here processor. This it's very dry, that's why. I use this. No, without bruise, don't do job. Not good, but a little. See, I clean the graphic card chip because here is the problem. So We clean it, I think. Whoa, 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 whoa. So the first thing to do to clean the graphic cards from not working, always I put some alcohol. Okay, I put the toothbrush and clean it outside. Clean it outside. But you can clean it inside also, because the alcohol goes down to here, behind the chip there, to the balls, and clean also the balls. So I will do something like that here, and I have a pressed air that I cannot go push the alcohol down in the balls. Okay. Never mind the paper here. We are okay. Let me clean this. Again, put alcohol. Push it down to clean. Through one direction. I pushed here and going there. Okay. Alcohol. It's come to the other side. The alcohol here from the first air going to the other side. Again. So I think to clean with alcohol the balls, a better way to clean this is with a machine. It's called ultrasonic cleaner. Ultrasonic cleaner is best for this. I have, but not too much space from my ultra cleaner. So now going everywhere. I don't want now the alcohol, because I will reflow the chip. Okay, I will reflow the chip, but I will reflow only here, this chip. So I have this. This is for high temperature, do not melt something. So I will put between the box, I mean the chip. So I will cut 4 pieces. 4 pieces like that. And I will put it here. 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 Okay, this is my first. We clean inside the chip. We clean inside the chip with alcohol. Second, we will do max temp reflow the chip. So as is at 100%, and you're going like this cycle. Okay, and from bottom a little, something like this, but mostly here. Okay, if you will touch it, if it burns your hand quickly, like this, ow, ow, now it's okay. Sometimes I leave it 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you know. This is the rework, the reflow. Going to, because we don't want to reball all the chip, you know, down, put some balls. I don't have the machine also. This is the cheap solution for a customer that brings us to us, because he's not want to pay. But I told him that maybe fixed. It will fix for 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, maybe years. So he knows that. And we'll reflow because the balls have oxidized, and that's why we clean inside. And now maybe some ball it's not in the right correction, that will do, you know, with the heat they melt the balls and be as good as new, but better to do reball. If it did not reballing succeed, you must change the chip. Let me press it. It's a little, but need little more. A little more. Circle ways, like that. I think in 10 seconds I will go off. We are fine, I think. Okay, no need more. So now I will put out the mask we used. Okay, I will put some flux from the bottom, like we used the isopropyl alcohol. A little, not too much, something like that. So I will push it. Okay, I think it's so much. Now I will do with 100% and 450 degrees, a little more to go inside the balls, you know. Let's do 70%, 100. At the top. Well, I think we are fine. I think we are fine. Let's clean it. And let's test it. So we put it all back. We put all this. So let's check. I will put the charger. Okay. And we don't have the button, but I saw before the button is here, so it's this, the cable of the button. If I jumper this, maybe it's open. The first two, no. Opens. Let's see. What do I do? Oh, nice. Very nice. Look people, we have screen. Without green graphics anymore, and we have screen that before black screen in the laptop screen. Let's put this on external. No, it's need to power off. Power on again, maybe. Yeah, it's okay. The screen is okay. It's okay. If you can see. Look. Nice. Very nice. So guys, this is how Reflow I work always. And it's good, but we don't know how much time will be alive this card. So the customers knows it, and we are fine. We just do the job. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like. Thank you. Bye.